Greetings from Kubay Design. So totally we received our manufactured and just unpacked from the box the metallic roof for the G Wagon, the older style and newer style. So what we have and what it contains. The whole frame, 4 sides, parallel frames, the plates themselves made with metal. You see the surface, it's semi-matte, like semi-gloss, and with the special rubbers so you can stay with your feet and avoid sliding. Also it contains all the needed bolts, brackets, fittings, the main brackets. So if you want to upgrade your G Wagon into the off-road truck like our Expedition, you can check, or maybe another variations of the cars, you can easily install and buy this beautiful kit. So stay tuned.